Let's go, everybody. There's shoveling to be done. The sooner we get out there and do it, the sooner it gets finished. Where's that cat family spirit? I guess they've gone shopping.
Hi there, John.
Now, would you look at that? A family that spends time together. That's what we should do. Won't Fiona and the kids be proud of my work? Did anyone even notice a certain something when you drove past me just now?
Oh, nice haircut, Dad.
I did not get a haircut. I shoveled the driveway.
Oh, great job, Dad.
Your move, Huckle. That looks like fun. Can I play?
But we've already started, Dad.
I've got an idea, and it's even more fun than a board game. Let's all go out and build a snowman.
I don't know.
Right now,
Dad.
What's your father doing?
I think he's building a snowman.
Why?
Maybe Dad's tired of being cooped up all day.
Wow!
Hi there, John. We're going to the mountain skiing.
That's it! A family ski trip.
It looks like your father's got an idea.
Now, this will be a real family trip. A chance for all of us to do something together for a change.
Dad?
I know, Sally. Lately, we haven't been spending much time together as a family.
Dad?
Well, that's it. We're ready to go.
Dad?
What is it, Sally?
I need to go to the bedroom.
Ouch! These are too small.
Those are my boots, Dad.
They gave us one extra boot.
No, that's mine. Ouch! These boots are too small.
Those are my boots, Dad.
I am Mr. Sitma, your ski instructor. Are you ready for your first ski lesson?
My boots are still too small.
Snug is good.
These aren't snug. They're tight.
Tight is even better. Let's go. Bend the knees. Follow me. I have not only won medals in skiing, but I am also a professional skater, luger, and world-class ice fishing champion.
I was a pretty good skater in my own right. In fact, I was the first person ever to complete a triple and a half axel.
Dad, don't you mean a triple axel?
No, dear, triple and a half. Your father landed on his head.
Now, this is what family togetherness is all about. Whoops!
For someone who completed a triple and a half axel, skiing with one pole should be no problem, right, Dad?
Yes.
Now follow me and bend the knees.
Whoa! Gotcha.
That's it. Eyes front. Let's go. You're heading for the expert run. Bend the knees. Bend the knees.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Very impressive, Mr. Cat. But the next time, let's try and stay together.
Come on, Dad.
Hi there, John.
We'll try it again. Now remember.
I know. Bend the knees.
Now, where did your father disappear to this time?
Here he comes. Down the ski jump ramp.
Bend the knees. You win first prize.
Thank you, everyone, but I didn't come here to win any awards. I came here to spend some time with my family.
That was great, Dad.
It was?
You were wonderful.
I was?
We're so proud of you, John.
You are?
Let's go for another jump. This time, I'll go with you.
Let's go skiing! Let's go skating! Come on!
I want to go sledding.
What do you want to do? You're absolutely right, John. There's nothing like a ski trip to bring a family together. John?
Bends the knees.